runner stories for the road, promising breakthroughs and multidimensional approaches in longevity research. Hello, viewers. Today, we dive into the exciting world of longevity research. As scientists push the boundaries of life extension, the dream of living to 200 years seems closer than ever. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge treatments and research in this field. Our journey begins at the cellular level, where Dr. David Sinclair's study led to a significant breakthrough. His team demonstrated the partial reprogramming of old cells, restoring the youthful function in mice using a process called reviver. In parallel, Genesis, a pioneering company, has achieved organ regeneration in patients' lymph nodes using cellular therapy. Imagine a world where our cells and organs are revitalized from the inside out. Moving forward, let's talk about the role of artificial intelligence and machine learning in longevity medicine. They are powerful tools for early disease diagnostics and prevention. There's a curated database called geroprotectors.org, which catalogs current therapeutic interventions in aging and age-related diseases. It's a testament to how technology and longevity research are intertwining to pave the way for the future of healthcare. Another significant stride comes from Northwestern University's Potocznak Longevity Institute. Its Human Longevity Laboratory is working to analyze physiological age and prescribe interventions to delay or reverse age-related decline. The institute aims to extend the health span, pushing back the onset of diseases linked to aging. Did you know that our social lives also significantly impact our longevity? Researchers have developed the Social Frailty Index, identifying 8 key social factors that can predict death within 4 years. These include factors like neighborhood cleanliness, financial control, and feelings of isolation. In yet another breakthrough, scientists at the University of California, San Diego, have nearly doubled the lifespan of yeast cells using synthetic biology. The technique involves making cells oscillate between 2 deteriorative aging pathways, thus delaying the commitment to aging. Though still speculative, this research opens up possibilities for extending human lifespan. Finally, we come to a critical area of longevity research: senescent cells. These zombie cells contribute to chronic inflammation and disease as they accumulate in the body's tissues. Scientists in Japan have developed a vaccine to target these cells, an approach that could reduce age-related chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. From cells to society, the field of longevity research offers promising advancements in life extension. These breakthroughs aren't just about adding years to our lives but ensuring those years are filled with vitality and health. Stay tuned for more updates on the quest for longevity.